What's good, everybody? It's your boy, Mr. E, boss of the Southside Bosses, here with Reggae Hour down here at Factory Bar and Grill for Reggae Fest. Just got through listening to Crucial Riddim, coming out of Robstown, Texas, down here blessing Corpus with some great vibes. How y'all doing today?
Sipping and doing the do, you know. Shit, how's it going? I'm Randall Zoid.
I'm flipping.
Hey, Josh. Tom.
Already, man. Hey, gotta say, y'all rocked it, man. Y'all rocked it, man. New songs. I loved the first song. These made it fall in love again, man. Hey, tell me, how did it feel after y'all looked out there and saw all of us jamming? How did that feel?
It's always great when you get to see people out there vibing and dancing. That's what we do it for, really.
That makes the show better. It makes us play harder. You know, seeing other people vibing, we vibing all together. You know, that's the way it's done.
Now, let's reintroduce y'all to the world. Let's say, tell everybody what your positions are, what your instrument you play, your position in the band, just pretty much who you are.
So I'm Felipe, I'm the lead guitar. Well, no, I'm just the guitar, actually. I'm rhythm and the lead vocalist.
I'm Randy, I play bass.
David, I play guitar, I do a little bit of vocals.
Oh, Josh, oh my bad. Sorry, Josh, yeah, Josh goes on. I play drum, yes sir.
Drums, okay.
And I'm Tom, and I play the keyboards and some trombone.
Already, man. So, which songs did y'all make together?
I guess lately we've been working on a song called It's Okay. That was kind of with Josh and the Fantasies drawing around in the jam. That would be for sure one of our recent collaborations on it.
And we should be expecting to hear that one on every set from now on.
We put more than likely there.
Already. All right. Hey, tell me about y'all seen y'all around town. Y'all in Corpus Christi, Texas, just showing it up. Like, how has the city been returning their love? I mean, I've been seeing everybody, they've been showing you all kinds of love, you know what I'm saying? So, like, how does that feel? So that the city is actually receiving you and you know you home.
So for sure, anytime we come out here to the Factory Bar and Grill, they're always good with us. Everyone's nice. Everyone has good vibes. They love the reggae music. I recommend it for anyone who loves reggae music in general.
Yeah, I mean, we come out here, we just show respect, we get respect back, and, it's a hand-to-hand thing, we have fun. All good vibes all the time, getting stuff, showing the well, being unity, at the end of the day, trying to introduce each other to everybody and just have a good time,
Just try to have fun, play a good show, keep people moving, keep dancing, drink a little, smoke a little, do our thing.
I always dope out here. You talking about this video, right? Yeah, it's Vinny's podcast. Sorry. I'm like, I'm yeah, you good stuff.
Yeah, man, we played out here at Factory down here a few times, and it's always a good vibe. People always enjoy reggae music, so it's always a great, fantastic time out here playing all the time.
Good. Great to hear, man. Now, today there was scheduled a protest or whatever to go down. You all know it's about Trump sitting ICE agents and, pretty much terrorizing innocent people that pretty much was probably just minding their business otherwise. Like, how do y'all feel about the temperature in the city compared to, like, when it comes to all of this privacy of people getting deported and stuff like that? How do you think that's affecting the city?
What's good about the people out here is that we had a protest going on today, and in some places around the world, there's always that one person who just gets out of line and it causes violence, pushes things beyond where it needs to go. But Corpus, we kept it peaceful. It was about the love, and that's how I think the protest should be. We don't need the violence.
I didn't even know there was a protest. I went to bed at 12 in the afternoon today, woke up at 3 to come here. It's news to me. But I'm glad they protesting and sharing their voice and their reason to be out there.
Yeah. I'm more concerned with the senator that was killed, the state representative. But these protests, we don't condone violence. We do support, going out there and supporting your cause, but as long as it's non-violent and stays within the legalities of the law.
How I feel about all the protesting is that person? Shoot, I'm definitely for it. Shoot, I'm the same way. I feel exactly how these people feel. Shoot, I didn't know much about it until today. I know it's a Corpus Christi Sunday. What's happening?
Yeah, I mean, I'm all about protesting First Amendment rights. When you have a government that's kind of testing the limits of their power, sometimes it takes the people standing up to prove a point. So I'm all about it.
Already, so man, look, y'all got a future ahead of y'all. Like, tell me what y'all future like consists of as a band and individually.
Sure, right now, we're finally about to get to a point where it's going to slow down a little bit as far as shows. So we want to get some new recordings going, and we want Josh to be able to break room actually in our music live. And then the return of Randazoid, even though he's actually been on all the songs that I've been releasing.
I was finding myself. And, it's kind of hard to believe because how can you lose this? But honestly, it was much needed. You know, we had our ups and downs when we were doing it full time, and now I come back 2 years later, it's still stronger than ever. You know, we've got these new talents, they're fucking amazing. These guys right here, I mean, this is what we needed, and you know, it's progressing to have everything and still continue what we're doing today. You know, that's fun.
Just do better, be better, you know, put out more music, keep people moving, and just keep living a good life, you know, just have fun. You know, you only live on this earth for so long, and then you don't want to be stuck in that same loop, same spiral of life. You want to get out and live.
Heck yes. Yeah, I love this group of guys. Yeah, definitely. I'm hoping to advance more with these guys. Definitely Tom, Phil, everybody else. Yeah, I've been jamming with Phil for like about since 2012. Yeah, not jamming with him, but knowing him since then. Yeah, dude. Yeah, definitely. Ready to better myself and that family and this band too. That's what I got.
I'm the newbie of the group. I've played maybe 2-3 gigs with them. It's the first time I played a gig with this dude right here. But they know me and see me around. I've been playing with Proof of Life for like 12 years. Me and him go back to hybrid meets and stuff like that. So I've known a couple of these guys for a while. But it's cool to be playing with them now. So hopefully we can go and keep jamming together and see where things go.
Dynamic combination. I just want to say that right now. After witnessing y'all personally, y'all got it, and I want to make sure that y'all get heard by the world because, I got some world class people that I have on my podcast. So people from all over the world hear me, and I guarantee you, they're gonna hear you. They're gonna be like, "Wait, not Robstown, Texas? Yes, Robstown, Texas. This is the hidden gem right here. Crucial Riddle. Y'all boys did good, man.
This was actually year number 10 of Crucial Riddle. So we plan at some point this year, something pretty good. So keep your eyes posted.
Yes, sir. Hey, that's a good year right there. That's a good year. Year number 10. That's what's up. Already. Y'all make sure y'all keep me in the loop about everything. We will. Definitely going to stay in touch, man. I appreciate y'all taking the time out for me.
Keep it crucial.